How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the color trigger in Geometry Dash. So I'm just going to place it on the middle of my level, and you want to make sure that it is selective and it's not hard at all. Click Edit Object, and from here you could just navigate through the color that you want to change into. I'm also going to add some fade time, and you could do something like the color ivy, but in my case I'm going to actually be changing the color of my background. So I'm going to select BG, and here you could do something like copy color, player color 1, and many more. It could depend on your preference, but in my case I'm fine with this one. So let's just click on OK, and as you can see, it will now change our color of the background as we go through the trigger right here. So you could change a lot of objects for something like BG, G1, Group 2, Line, Object, 3D, and many more. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.